Yo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, this is next part from episode before episode. So this is part when I'm cook or I'm bake this cake or this brownies at this pan. I'm using this pen and looks guys, this is my adonan. Looks so good and pretty. Look the beautiful view, and I don't want to waiting this because I'm have to eat for this night or tonight. And maybe you can see from this, yeah. For first of all, I have to add water to fill this pan with water. And for the instruction here, a preheat steamer. Yes, I using this steamer and grease the pan with margarine and cover with baking paper. But I don't have baking paper, and I use this bowl. And yeah, for after still all the ingredients until well mixed. So after this I have to steam for maybe 35 minutes and waiting this until baked. So you can waiting here with me. Look so guys. Ooh, yeah. Guys, the water is, I put water at this steamer, and after this I have to, you can see I'm heat this steamer with fire. Here you can see this, yeah, so nice, so good. And don't forget to put this one at or add into this steamer like this. So guys, after this, what I doing? Yes, of course I'm at put the all ingredients put into this steamer. Wait, it's hot guys. Maybe I can put this. And yeah guys, right now it's time to Isha prayer. I think I can waiting this until back or can be beautiful view, and I think you can see another part from this vlog or this video, and I have to waiting this until back maybe 35 minutes, and right now I wanted to going to Moscow and take Isha prayer. So guys, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.